is up, YouTube? Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video here on the channel. My name is Chris. That's my VQ right there. This is Chris VQ, so let's get into it. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a POV drive in the G. I finally got it to a point where I feel like it's safe to take out on the streets. So we're going to test it out, see if the things I did to it made a difference, good or bad, and kind of just go from there. So I'm going to be doing it on the GoPro, so I do apologize if the footage is not that great. I don't really know how it's going to measure up to what this puts out, but hopefully it's pretty close on the same side. So I'm going to hook up the GoPro for the head mount, and I'm going to do most of the POV driving through that. But yeah, so I got to do a couple more things before we head out, and then once I do that, we can go ahead. I'll swap over to the GoPro for the head mount, and we'll go from there. All right, so this is where we're gonna go ahead and end the video today. Overall, I would say that the car is responding a lot better. I would say out of a 10, it's probably about a 7, 7.5, maybe a 6.5, depending on what I'm grading it off of. But other than that, everything else is pretty much good. I need some small stuff that still needs to be tidied up on the car. Other than that, everything else went pretty smooth. I do appreciate everybody for liking my videos, my reels, everything like that. We're trying to pump out as much content as we can for the car and for the channel. I'm not really sure what my next steps are going to be as far as like new videos. I'm still trying to figure out my direction, but other than that, everything else on the car went great. Motor mounts are good. New exhaust manifold gaskets are good. Valve cover gaskets are good. No leaks, no nothing. Did the oil pan gasket, that came out good. Gave it enough time to dry and everything like that and fully cure before I really put any fluids in it. So haven't had any leaks out of that. I've checked a few times underneath just to make sure. Everything seems to be running at tip top, for the best that it can in that situation. So again, thank you guys for coming to the video, watching it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are making really good headway on the channel right now, so go ahead and watch this video. Give me some feedback. If you have any ideas for next steps on the car, shoot them in the comments and I'll take a look at them and see what's going on, what everyone thinks. Definitely going to probably be something around the idea of lights or something like that. I'll probably do headlights, taillights, or something along that line. But again, thank you guys for commenting, subscribing, and watching the video, and we will see you guys in the next one.